If you want low budget okro stew, hello, I got you. This is for you. And trust me, it was so delicious and above all perfect. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. We do easy cooking recipes, okay? So if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have with me here my jome, okay? And I will go ahead and add my momone or fermented fish or salted fish. I've added some chopped onions. I will just wait for a while and then we can continue. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it, okay? Thank you very much. Please, if you are not following me on other social media platforms, please do so for me. The name is still Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. They don't take money, okay? Thank you so much. So now this is where we've gotten to. I'll go ahead and add my homemade seasoning or marinade, okay? So that is what I've added. That is herbs, pepper, ginger, garlic, and I'll just give it a stir, wait for it to melt, okay? After it's melted, I added some chopped tomatoes and my seasoning. I'll give it a stir, and whilst that is on fire, I'll go ahead and then grind my okro. So this is okro and then onions. I've grinded it very well. I'll just go ahead and get everything in my cooking pot, then we can continue. Thank you so much. And please, if you are not following me on other social media platforms, please do not hesitate to follow me. It is free, okay? And if you want short videos, please follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Trust me, you'll love it. Now I have the okra on fire here. I'll just go ahead and add some more salt to it and then allow it to cook very well, okay? Because of the fermented fish we used, we are not going to add a lot of salt or seasoning to our soup, okay? Yes, now I have with me here my garden eggs. You can go ahead and use any garden eggs of your choice, okay? So I've added the eggplant. I'll go ahead and then give it a stir. You can as well add some fish to the okro here, but I'm going to add the fish to the stew rather, okay? So I'll go ahead and add my fried fish. And I am at the moment where you are preparing the food for yourself and you enjoy it alone. So I am just going to prepare it the way I want it, okay? And trust me, if you try this, oh my goodness, you will love it. Yes, you will love it. So try this, and this was so nice. So if you know me very well, you know I don't joke with my mushrooms, and I've added my mushrooms to that. I'll give it a stir. I don't have a lot of proteins in that soup or that stew, but trust me, it was so delicious and this was very healthy, okay? Now I've added my okra because it has cooked very well, and at this moment I don't have any fire under the pot. I will just go ahead and give it a stir gently so that it can mix perfectly. Then we are good to go. I don't want the eggplant to be very soft, okay? So I want it crunchy in the stew, and trust me, this was nice. Now I'm done mixing everything and we are done. We are going to pair this with our bangkong. You can pair it with eba. You can pair with any swallow of your choice. And trust me, it was nice. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, do not forget to love yourself first. Do not forget to eat healthy. And please don't forget to follow me for more videos. Thank you for watching once again, and see you in the next one. I love you. Bye-bye.